Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Essay Our School Library. We have a big library in our school. The library room is very big and there are bookshelves all around the walls. Books on the various topics are placed in different shelves. Books related to different categories are placed in their respective shelves. They are arranged according to their number. The number of each book is written on it. The teacher or the in charge issues the books to the student. He puts our names in the registers. Days are fixed for the different classes. A student is given one book at a time. He may keep it for a week. If he does not return in time, he has to pay a fine. There are two long tables in the library. Some chairs are placed around the tables. There are newspapers and magazines on the tables. We go to the library in the recess period or in our free period. We not only read the books but also newspapers and magazines. We like the school library very much and enjoy the time in the library. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.